Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I'm going to be sharing something I've put together here. This is a complete package training on how to create your very own viral lead magnets. All right, really, like literally from start to finish. Okay, now I was going to be selling this course for $14. In fact, I'm still going to be doing that, but I'm just going to put this out there for a way to get this over to you guys for free. Okay, you know, well, when I say for free, technically it's not going to be for free, because there's obviously, you know, I mean, this is not free content, this is premium content. So, you know, first of all, what are you going to get here? So you're going to get an entire training course on how to create viral lead magnets. You're going to be able to, you're going to learn how to actually create those lead magnets from scratch using AI tools. I've also given you two done for you lead magnets that you have complete control over. You know, you get the source code, you got private label rights for those lead magnets that I've created, and you can use those, and you get access to the Google Docs so that you can edit those. And I'm going to teach you how to convert those into a viral lead magnet. So what does that mean? What does a viral lead magnet mean? It means you've probably heard of what you know what a lead magnet is. All right, you've downloaded a PDF before as a way to kind of, like, you know, entice you to check out your offer or your deal, you know, and then you've probably been onto a funnel. All right, and then you've downloaded a course, a training, something for free, a tangible, you know, like a product, but it's free, and then you've had access to these. Now that's that's fantastic, but you know, I'm taking things to a whole new level. All right, I'm teaching you how to convert those, you know, those lead magnets that you've seen and you've probably downloaded, and maybe you've created some in the past. I'm going to teach you how to actually create that as a viral lead magnet, meaning that you're going to be able to have an army of affiliates, your own affiliates, all right, promoting your lead magnets on your behalf. Now, why would they want to do something like that? Well, because, you know, first of all, they like the content, and you're giving them access to something that they go in and rebrand the content. So in other words, they get access to a web-based form. They put their email, well, they put their username in there, and they click download, and then that PDF becomes their PDF with their referral links to the programs you've decided to put in there as part of the lead magnet. Okay, that go to them. Okay, so in other words, let's say, for example, you're part of LiveGood. Okay, and you've created a lead magnet. Maybe it could be centered around a product. All right, a product that people like, you know, a health product, weight loss product, or whatever, something that gives a lot of excitement or interest, or maybe it's something that's that solves an issue, solves a problem. Okay, and you put your links in there, for example, to LiveGood, and then you've got a funnel. All right, and on the funnel you've actually got a way for them to be able to actually rebrand that PDF so that they can join you in that company or that platform, and then they can then come back and get access to the rebrander tool, put their leads, put their username in that brander, click the download button, and that PDF becomes their PDF. But there's a way, you know, I'm going to be giving you share codes. All right, I've got the share codes here that you're going to be able to use and set it up as a funnel. Okay, I give you the brander tool. You know, we give you access to the brander tool. I'll show you how to use the brander tool. It's all part of LeadsLeap, and I give you a full training. Okay, it's the 4 modules, and I also give you the templates, the PSD files. There's actually drag and drop, so you can use it in free software, Photopea. So the templates are all done for you. All you got to do is to drag the Photoshop document into the free software, which is Photopea, and you can just double click on the text. You can change the text, you can change the colors, you can change the background, you can change whatever, and it's so easy, so newbie friendly. And then it just generates the 3D book cover for you, and you can use that and create your own lead magnets, okay, and your own. And I've given you the share codes for the funnels, and I've also given you the entire download for the lead magnet itself that you can edit, and you have private label rights. And I give you a bonus document that you can download as well, and I give you access to AI tools as well that can get this job done really quickly if you want to create your own lead magnet from scratch. I give you 10 AI prompts that are really powerful that can spit out a lead magnet in whatever topic you want. All right. So yeah, it's pretty powerful stuff. So if you click here, you'll see that I'm basically going to be giving this away for $14 one time. But down the road, I was looking to charge more because I'm going to be adding a lot more down the road. I was if you miss the early access, it could go up. But right now, I'm giving it away for free. All right, it's not even available at a cost at the moment, so I'm not even charging it at the moment. Okay, but the only way you can get access to this if you join me in LiveGood. So if you're already under me in LiveGood, okay, congratulations, you can already get access to it if you're in my downline. If you join me as a pro member in LeadsLeap, I repeat, if you join me as a pro member in LeadsLeap, you will get access to this. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can contact me. All right, and then let me know, and then I'll give you access. So it's just literally a direct link, and I'll give you the link, and you'll be able to have access. All right. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And if you want access to this, let me know, because obviously the two stipulations, it's either you're either under me in LiveGood, or if you want to join LiveGood, you can get access to it. Or if you want to join me as a pro member in LeadsLeap, you'll get access to it. Okay. Now there are other. I might consider other options. If you join me in My Lead Gen Secret, yeah, because it's a recurring. I feel that this is going to cover my costs. I'm not going to give this away for free. There's no way. Forget it. Don't even ask me. All right. If you've joined me in something, and I feel that the compensation plan of that opportunity, such as My Lead Gen Secret, and it gives me a kind of it makes me feel that I've put a lot of work into this. As you can see, there's a lot gone into this. I'm giving away a huge amount. So if you join me in some kind of traffic program or something, it may not be I may not feel that was enough for me to benefit in order to give you access to this entire training. This is a lot here, guys. So I will consider, but anyway. So basically, if you join me in LiveGood, or if you join me in LeadsLeap as a pro member, I'll give you access. Simple as that. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you like what you see. I would like if you do get access to this, I would love a testimonial, because I'm gonna be rolling this out as I'm not joking, guys. I'm gonna be rolling this out as a paid product on Warrior Plus. So I'm gonna get this onto Warrior Plus, but I want to. This is kind of like getting it out there just to see how people like it, get some testimonials, and see what people think. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in there. All right. Bye for now.